Please note, trading does carry a high level of risk. Everything taught by the algo trader are for educational purposes only. The algo trader will not be liable for any losses incurred. Hey guys, Algo here. Welcome to my trade recap for Usdcad for the 4th of October 2023. Came into the chart around 8 a.m. so I just got all of this price action and just walk you through everything that was in my mind at the time. So as seen from yesterday, all of the structural points were created from yesterday. We took a few trades in here, and yeah, we just seen price take out this lows, strip all of that liquidity and break structure above. So yeah, we were playing within this range, and we just seen price come below during the close of New York and the start of Asia down to the close of Asia. So we're playing within this range. Market was quite rangy, and from the looks of things, this area was the only spot on the market that was untouched. I'd seen price take out this structural liquidity. And why did I think of this point as being strong liquidity? Because price had broken this structural point, so down below, SMC boys and other form of traders would probably be would have been involved in buying this market above. So yeah, we've seen price come down to take all of that and break structure above. So this one right here was a good one for me. And if I just play price and share with you my thoughts and mindset on the matter per time. So yeah, I saw this candle at the start of London. I saw this candle. It was this huge weak candle, bearish candle. And if you know how these candles work, you know when they sweep liquidity like this, they'll most likely take out this lows. But I wasn't fazed by it. I left my zone on and just let the market give me a reaction or something when it did come. So yeah, price came down to my zone. Remember, this zone wasn't the best for me anymore. I was just going to play it if all of my other criteria were met, because so as I see this, I'm already dissuaded. Like, I do not want to get involved because there's a high probability that it's going to take out this zone. Anyways, that being said, let me just drop down to 1M. And yeah, this was the zone I marked up. And so what we'll be looking for, we've seen strong liquidity go. So this change of character that was taken out right here, strong liquidity. So if we get a church, we'll be interested in getting in on this market. So if I just play price, and you see price never really, changed character over here. Instead, it came to the PBL and use that liquidity to go even lower. So if you just see price went lower, change character. So this became like a strong liquidity point in the market because of this change of character and price taking it out. So this was my new PBL. So if you know how it works, then I want to see the PBL go also. If price just comes into the PBL and tanks, then basically useless. So if I just play price, you've seen price come, tag my PBL and dropped some more. So this strong liquidity is now gone. Yeah, so I need to see price create in here strong liquidity for me to trade off from. So yeah, we've seen this happen. Personally, this is not the cleanest form of strong liquidity you see, because then again we had this I say doji now, or the butterfly, one of those candle or something. But we had this candle, and to me, every time I see it, I just know it's a sweep of liquidity, and any structural point you're creating below, there's a high chance it's going to go. Yeah, especially when it takes like a structural high and just suddenly drops, there's a high chance the zone below is going to go. Anyways, I marked that up as strong liquidity and put my trade right below here, saying, oh, okay, price had changed character. So this was supposed to be a solid zone, seeing that all of these candles did not really break any structure, and they were self-mitigating, meaning efficient price action right here, this candle and that. So basically efficient price action, and I wasn't really keen on getting involved on that. So if I just play price some more, you see price did not even respect me whatsoever, took me out. So I took one loss here, and if you just play price some more, so right here I marked up the second zone because this was the zone that took out this structural point. So I was quite keen to get in on the trade here. I marked up this zone and this one below, just because the way price consolidated here, mitigating the extreme zone, I was keen on even extending my stop loss a little bit further. But if you see how I put it, basically I covered about half of this on my MT4, like I covered about half, but this was where I was pretty certain that price was going to come to. If it was going to go below this, then to just slightly sweep it, just to, you know, mess up a few people's trade before running. So I was keen on taking my trade that way. And yeah, if I just play price, we just see price run to the top. I think at some point it dropped drastically before going to my TP. Yeah, I was just on the chart watching this happen, and yeah, that just flew, and the rest of the day price just kept running. You know, let me post that and just jump to 15M because I did not get any trade from this again. So yeah, as soon as this 15 minute swing high was taken, I marked up the swing low. I knew we're trading within this range. Yeah, so if I just play price, so I had everything marked up on the charts, and this was my Fibonacci area. This is my 50%. So anything below the 50% is a pretty solid zone. So this would be where I'll be looking for the markets to come into to trade from. Yeah, and that was my entire day with Usdcad. I did have a markup for Euro USD, but I'm pretty sure I don't know where it is right now. Okay, yeah, so same thought process for Euro USD. I personally did not trade this. I'm just going to share for the sake of this video, and it's suddenly raining crazy over here. Anyways, okay, yeah, so structural point, I marked all of this up this morning, and yeah, I seen price come in here just because my fib, you know, this is my fib, and if we just extend it right around there, you see this was below the fib, so this was my preferred zone, zone 1, zone 2, and if we just drop to 1M, let me just zoom in and zoom out real quick and just show you everything that was on my mind. And yeah, so we've seen price come in, we've seen strong liquidation occur right here. Over here, strong liquidation happening. So I was quite keen to take in the next change of character, which occurred here. You know what, I just want to zoom in to show you how I did take this trade. So yeah, or how I would have taken this trade, because I didn't get in on that. So price changed character, price never came back. And if you know how breaker block they work almost better than other blocks, because if you get a good breaker block, it's almost like a short thing to run. So yeah, breaker blocks, basically if the candle that takes out, that creates the church, is really clean and doesn't have like wick all over, you could just mark that out and extend it. And personally for me, I've well, through like consistent trading and all, I've realized that breaker blocks they work when you find them. Yeah, they work like mad. They work like crazy. Yeah, they work a lot. So anyways, I got this breaker block, price came back to mitigate that and run. But personally, I wasn't in this trade just cause after my first 10 hour, I'm really done. And yeah, that was how my day went. And all of that. Until the next one, guys. Cheers.